Hello, friends. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, depending on the time you're going to watch this video. And this is Pranav. This is going to be my first video on YouTube, and today I'm gonna tell you and I'm gonna share with you some multiplication trick which will help you do all kind of multiplications, like multiplying a 4-digit number with a 2-digit number, or a 3-digit number with a 3-digit number, or whatever it is. So let's get started. Let's not wait any time and go to the matter. So two things we're going to focus on are that first we are going to form pairs. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to form pairs while doing the multiplication. This means that if we have to multiply 1, 2 and 3 with 4, 5 and 6, so we'll form pairs in the fashion like we're going to first form pair of these two digits. This is 1 and 4, and then we will form pairs of these 4 digits, which means 12 with 45, and then we are going to form pairs of all these 6 digits. This is 1 2 3 with 4 5 6, and then we will also need to move backwards, which means that 23 with 56 or 3 with 6. So just keep an eye on that. Next thing I'm going to tell you is we are going to do cross multiplication. Yes, you heard it right. This is cross multiplication. This means that if we have to multiply 12 with 34, so we'll multiply 3 with 2 and 4 with 1, or if we have to multiply 1 2 3 with 4 5 6, we will form a pair of 4 and 3, 6 and 1, and we will also go vertical when needed if we don't have any options. So just remember that a cross is always preferred over a vertical pair. So using these tricks, you can as I told you, you can multiply any kind of a number with any kind of a number. That is 2 with 2, 3 with 3, 2 with 1. Actually, I don't need to tell about 2 is 2 with 1. So 3 is to 2, and 3, or any instance you can think. So let's just get started. I'm going to teach you the basic pair, which is 2-digit number with a 2-digit number. This might seem very basic, but this is what forms a part of your whole process of learning this trick. So let's get started. So we'll start with the number. We have to multiply 12 with 34. So easy numbers, 1 2 3 4. And first, as I told you, we'll form a pair of these two numbers. So, and we're going to multiply them for sure. 3 into 1 is 3, and we will write a 3 here. And after this, we are going to form pairs of all these four numbers, which means a 12 with a 34. This is what we're going to do. And again, cross multiplication, the second rule. Only two rules are going to be used, so nothing much to remember in this. So 3 with a 2 and 4 with a 1. So let's multiply. A 3 into a 2 is 6, and a 4 into a 1 is 4. So what we are going to do of these two products is we're going to add them up. So a 3 into 2 is 6, 4 into 1 is 4. If we add them, this equals to a 10, but we'll not write a 10 here, we'll write a 0 here, and this 1 will go as a carry, as we used to do in school. And after this, we have to go backwards, which means that we're going to form pair of these two numbers. This is 4 and a 2, so 4 into 2 is 8, and our final answer is going to be 8, 0 and a 4. So 408 is our answer. Go and take the calculator and check, and if you can do manually, then definitely check. 408 is the bang on right answer. Okay, so I hope it made sense, but we'll take one more example to help you clarify much more than this, because this is what is going to form the root of whole this trick. So let's multiply a 56 with a 78. Again, a very simple number, 5 6 7 8, but this will get much larger product than this. So 7 into 5, as the pairs of these two are going to be formed. 7 into 5 is 35. At when you're multiplying the first digit, right, whatever comes, so if it comes a 35, if it comes a 19, if it comes a 1, if it comes anything, so we've got to write the complete number. 7 into 5 is 35. Then we'll form the pairs of all these four numbers. A 7 into a 6, a 5 into 8. 7 into 6 is 42. 5 into 8 is 40. So this equals to 82 when added up. So we'll write a 2 here, and the 8 will go on this place. Okay, so again, now we'll take the pair of these two. 6 into 8 is 48. We'll write a 8 here. 4 will move here. So if we make the final product, this is 8, this is 6, this is 5 and an 8, 13. So one more carry will move here. So 3 and a 1 is 4. So 4, 3, 6 and 8 is our answer. Let me write a bit more. This is 4, 3, 6, 8. So again, do check with a calculator. If it's wrong, don't watch the video anymore. If it's right, do watch it. That will really help you. So I hope 2 with 2 is clear to all of you. Now we will move on to the next level, which is 3 into 3, which means that we'll take an example of 1, 2 and 3 multiplied with 4, 5 and a 6. So let's take that again. Pairs of these two. 4 into 1 is 4. We'll write the whole digit here. Pair of these two. 4 into 2 is 8. 5 into 1 is 5. And when I add it up, it equals to 13. So we will take a 1 here. That's it. Now we'll form the pairs of these three. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to multiply a 4 with a 3, a 6 with a 1. So no cross is possible. These two will add, multiply like this. So let's do it. 4 into 3 is a 12. 6 into 1 is a 6. So this will add up to 18. And now 5 into 2 is 10. So 18 plus 10 is 28. We'll write a 8 here and we'll write a 2 here. So this is what we're going to do. Now going backwards, we are going to form a pair of these two numbers. These two, by this, yes, these four numbers. So 23 and 56. Again, 5 into 3 is 15. 6 into 2 is 12. When added up, it becomes 27. So we'll write a 7 here and we'll write a 2 here, as this goes as a carry. Now this last pair is to be formed up. 6 into 3 is 18. We'll write a 8 here. We'll write a 1 here. And let's form the final product. This is 8. This is 8. This is 8 plus 2 is 0. I mean, this is 10. So we'll write going to 0 here, and one more is going to be added here. So 3, 2 and 1 is equal to 6. And 4 into 1 is equal to 5. 4 plus 1, sorry. 4 plus 1 is going to be, and this is our final product. Do check with the calculator. This is absolutely right. So I hope it is more of going into your mind and you're having a better understanding at this. And we'll move on to the next level now, which is 4 digits with 4 digits. And I'm also going to tell you, well, in real life I don't think anyone is going to need to multiply 4 digits with 4 digits without a calculator, but still I will tell you, I will multiply these numbers so as to tell you the efficiency of this trick. And I'm going to do a bit faster this time, as you must have known what is the real formula behind this. So let's do it a bit faster. 5 into 1 is 5. I'll write a 5 here. Pairs of these two. 5 into 2 is 10. This is 16. I'll write a 6 here. This is a 1 here. Okay, so pairs of these three. 5 and 3 is 15. This is 22 and 12. This is 34. I write a 4 here. 3 will move here. And this is 4 pairs of these. This is a 20. This is an 8, so 28. This is an 18, so this will form 46, and 7 into 2 is 14, so this will form a 60. I'll write a 0 here. The 6 will move here. Now coming backwards, we are going to form pairs of these three. 6 into 4 is 24. 8 into 2 is 16, this is 40, and 7 into 3 is 21, this is 61. We'll write a 1 here, we'll write a 6 here. Now pairs of these two, 7 into 4 is 28, 8 into 3 is 24, this equals to 52. I'll write 2 here, I'll write a 5 here, and now 4 into 8 is 32. I'll write a 2 here, I'll write a 3 here. So let's just make the final product here. This is 6, this is, no, let's start from a backward point. This is 2, this is 5, this is 6, this is 6, this is 0, as it is a 10, so I write a 0 here, 1 will go here, so 6 and 3 and 9 and then 10, this is a 0, 1 more will go here, so this will be actually be a 7. So what our final product is 7006652, and this is definitely correct. And if you can check with calculator. Now we have done four kinds of multiplication, 3 kinds of multiplications. This is 2 in 2, 3 in 3, and 4 in 4. But what if the two numbers that are given to us do not contain the same number of digits? Yes, this is where no trick on YouTube is going to tell you what to do in this situation, but I'll definitely explain you with a stable and a trick that will work every time you do it. So let's start with the simplest of numbers. We are going to multiply a 2-digit number with a 1-digit number using this trick. So let's take, we have to multiply 12 with 3. Okay, this is the number. So again we are going to form pairs. So 3 into 1 is 3, that is simple. What to do now is that the number of digits that are available in the lower part, which I'm going to write here, so always write the digit with the number with lesser digits in below the number with more digits. So we're going to multiply this 3 with this 2. This is the kind of pair we're going to form. So 3 into 2 is 6, and you all know 12 into 3 is 36. That's it. This is how simple it is, you can see it. And let's take one more example to make it more clear to you. Let's see if we have multiplied 47 with an 8. Oh, look at the shape of the 8. Yes, so 8 into 4 is 32, and now 8 into 7, this is what we need. 8 into 7 is a 56, so we'll write a 6 here. This 5 will go with a carry. Now our final product is going to be 376. That is it. You can again check with the calculator. Definitely check with the calculator. That will increase your belief on this trick. So now we are going to take multiple examples of when the two numbers given do not contain same number of digits. So the next example I'm going to tell you is if we have to multiply 1, 2, 3 with a 4, 5. So this is what we are going to do. Again, let's take the simple way first. 4 into 1 is 4. Then we're going to form a pair of these two. So 4 into 2 is 8, and 5 into 1 is 5. So this will add up to 13. I will write a 1 here. Yes, that's what the carry is. Now here comes the difficult part. You are going to form pair of 2-digit numbers like this. Just see that this is the pair we are going to form, and here cross multiplications mean we are going to multiply a 4 with a 3 and a 5 with a 2. This if we write it like this, just see here, 23, 45. So this is going to be the cross multiply. So 4 into 3 is 12, 5 into 2 is 10, so this equal to 22. A 2 will go here, a 2 will come up here. Okay, and now we're just left with this now. So 5 into 3 is a 15, and this one will go here. So our final product will be 5, 3, 5 and a 5. So 5, 5, 3, 5 is what is our final product. So again, you can check by a calculator, and let me just give you a quick view. What if this number had been 1 2 3 4 and then 5 6 7? If this number would have been like this, you would have first formed this pair, then formed these pairs, then formed these pairs, and then with the difficult part, you have formed pairs like first these three with these three, then we'll definitely move backwards, these with these, and then this with this. I leave this calculation to you, that you should surely try that trick first with basics and then with such kind of a tricks, and that will definitely help you. Let me tell. Okay, just try this at your own, and we are going to end up this session with this last multiplication. This is, we are going to multiply 1 5 2 1 1 6. This is the pin code of my city, pin code or postal code, whatever you call it, and we're going to multiply with 18. That's my birth date, so let's start. 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 5 is 5, 18 into 5 is, this is equal to 13, so we'll write a 3 here and the 1 will go here. Now the pair will be like this, and so 1 into 2 is 2, 5 into 8 is 40, so 2 will come up here and 4 will come up here. Now the pairs are going to be like this is the pair. So 1 into 1 is 1, 8 into 2 is 10, so it will add up to 11, so 1 into 2 is, so 1 into 2 is 1 into 2 is 1 into 1 is 1 and 8 into 2 is a 16. We'll add them up. This will be a 17, so 7 will come up here and 1 will go here. And now the pair, again we are going to form pairs with 18 only, as 18 is the only last option available here. So 18 with 11 is going to be the next pair. 1 into 1 is 1, 8 into 1 is 8, so this will be a 9, no carry this time. Now the pair will be 18 and 16, so 1 into 6 is 6, 8 into 1 is 8, so 8 and 16 equals to 14, so this will be a 4 here and this will be a 1 here. And now the last pair, 8 and 6, yes, this is backward going, so we are left with this pair. So 8 into 16 is 8 into 6 is 48, so we'll write a 4 here and a 8 here. So let's just make the final product. This is 8, this is 8, this is a 10, so this will be a 0, and this number will become an 8, and this will be a 3, this will be a 7, this will be a 2. 2 7 3 8 or 88 is our product. And do check with the calculator. Yes, I'll say it again. So we are done with the multiplication which we were looking to do, and if you have learned this trick finally, you will be really happy, and this will definitely make you smile all the times, and you will be a better calculator, so you can all actually become a human calculator. So I say a goodbye to all of you. Do like the video if you really enjoyed this trick, and I will definitely upload more videos and more topics of mathematics very soon. So that's it. Goodbye.